Hi guys, today's topic, what happens when a revenue officer gets assigned to your case? I'm Scott Luke, enrolled agent. And if you owe $25,000 or more to the IRS or a state agency and you've been contacted by a revenue officer, this is important. I'm backed by 33 years of experience, and my staff and I at TLC Action Tax Resolution and Representation have handled taxpayers owing $50, $100, $150, and over $250,000. What a revenue officer means. When a revenue officer is assigned to your case, that means it has been moved out of computer automation. This no longer getting letters generated automatically by a computer. A real person is now reviewing your income, looking at your assets, checking for unfiled returns, evaluating enforcement options. The revenue officer can do many things. They can file liens, they can issue levies, they can garnish your wages. They can demand financial documentation. They can push your case forward very quickly. Ignoring a revenue officer is one of the fastest ways to make a bad decision worse. You need to team with somebody who deals with them all the time. Do not call them unprepared. Do not guess at answers or offer up information that they don't request. Don't send partial documents. Don't ignore deadlines. Don't assume that they're just checking in to be nice. Everything you say or send becomes part of your file and is documented. How do we help? When we take over a revenue officer case, I contact the officer directly. I take control of communication. We organize and submit documents properly. I stop unnecessary enforcement. I negotiate a resolution the IRS will accept, and you don't have to deal with the officer anymore. We do. The revenue officer is involved. You need representation immediately. www.tlctaxreliefpros.com, 714-345-8489. You won't get unsolicited mail. You won't get cold calls from me. The only way that we get in contact is if you call us seeking our assistance, and I'll go to battle for you. 714-345-8489. TLC Action Tax Resolution and Representation.